Can you hear her? She is the reason for my hood looking like this. John hates this jacket. It's old, I agree. It's ugly, I agree. But it's warm as hell. And so, when I have to walk the dog, this is the jacket I use. But this is what I look like right now. I actually found new fur lining for a hood on Amazon. And my little sister is learning, she's teaching herself, I'm so proud of her, how to sew. And so I'm gonna detach this hood and I'm gonna send it to her with the new fur lining that I bought. And I'm gonna have her sew this on for me. And she's gonna do a video showing you how she did it.
I got to my workstation and was a little nervous just because I've never worked with fur of any kind before. I live in Florida, so that project hasn't been on my list just yet. But Marguerite is from New York, and this hood is practically half of her life, so when she sent me this project, I knew I at least had to try. I didn't watch any videos or tutorials. I sort of just guessed, even with the embroidering of her initial. I just thought it might be hard to find tutorials. So I did do a bit of the project off screen just because I forgot to record it, lol. But here is the remainder of how I transformed this crazy hood. Like I said, this is my first time doing a hood, so I tried pinning it at first. The pins didn't really work out for me that well. They sort of just kept popping out because the fur was so thick, but I ended up just taking most of them out. I did mark every fourth of the way with a red pin though. That's just something I do. I don't know if anybody else does that, but small attention span, so I just did that as sort of a checkpoint so I didn't get too bored. I finally finished both rounds of stitching on the hood, and I picked out my threads, my scissors, my marker, and I was ready to embroider. I had zero embroidering skills before this. I had never embroidered before, so I sort of just drew on the cursive M, and I got my strings together and sewed along the line. That's pretty much it. I just did it how I thought it would go. The marbling turned out like I hoped it would, and overall, for my first time embroidering, I thought it was decent.
Wow, everybody, look at this. Did my little sister do the best job ever? Yes, she did. Not only is she beautiful, she is amazingly talented. So thank you. I now have a $100 looking hood on a $1 looking jacket, but that's okay. So please visit my little sister. She's got her own sales page on Depop, American Avenue. Support her channel as well, because she's such a wonderful, beautiful, talented girl.